Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel IK Engineering. In the last video we have made a CSV file. Now in that file we will convert it into Civil 3D. That how can we import our CSV file. So let's get started. You open a Civil 3D and interface on the first row you will select point. After select the points, a dialog box open. Click on point creation tool. Now click on import points. Click on add button. Now select the CSV file where you have saved. Now I want it to NGL on the desktop, so I want to click. After clicking, make sure that here you also select the CSV format. After selecting the CSV format, click on open. When the green tick shown, it means that our point has been imported. Now select the format where you have taken in the GPS or in the TS. So I select the PENZ, point, easting, northing and elevation, comma delimited. Okay, I click the points has been imported. Now click add to point group. Okay, double click. Minimize. Okay, now the point has been imported, but I want to show their elevation, northing, easting, description. So click on it, right click and select similar. The all point has been selected. Now come to the properties and go to the points label. Okay, right click. Now whatever you want to select, whatever you want to show on this point, I want to show elevation only. So you can see that we have shown elevation only on each point. Now again select, right click and come to the select similar, and again I want to show northing and easting. Okay, northing and easting, you can see northing and easting. So this was our lesson today, that how we can import a CSV file into Civil 3D. We have learned it. If you don't know that how we can create in the CSV file, so I have already made a video for a CSV file. You can go to the YouTube channel and watch that video. You will understand properly. Till our next video, stay tuned with us. and subscribe our channel IK Engineering for more informative videos. Thank you. Wassalam.